Mercedes-Benz just introduced a mid-cycle refresh on its S-Class Coupe and Cabriolet. This is notable in part because these vehicles are atop the pointy pinnacle of the brand's three-pointed start, Benz's ultimate, if somewhat unexpected range topper. They are also among the few vehicles in Mercedes' nearly 30 distinct models that exist without direct competition from their Teutonic peers. Neither Audi nor BMW manufacture a coupe or convertible version of their top-of-the-line AA or 7 Series Oberklasse models, at least for now. There is the same intuitive active driving assist 4.5 system, the suite of radars, cameras, sensors and black magic that allows the cars to cruise semi-autonomously in select circumstances, mainly on the highway or in stop-and-go traffic. There is the same crisp, double-screen 12-inch dash and infotainment setup, sealed in a seamless binnacle under a 2-foot piece of glass. There is the same familiar but somewhat frustrating knurled-Oreo-under-a-flip-phone controller to adjust the central screen, and the same finicky touch-sensitive sliders on the steering wheel to control the screens in front of the driver. With its 26 extra horses and new 9-speed transmission and all-wheel drive, the S63 model sees the only real enhancement in performance stats among the group, with a 0.4-second faster prompt to 60 miles per hour, now dispatched in 3.4 seconds. The S65's output, 7-speed automatic and RWD status remain the same, as does its 4.0-second 0 to 60 time. Despite 14 HP more, the S560's time remains about the same, at 4.6 as well. The S-Class Coupe and especially the Cabriolet are among our favorite Mercedes-Benz vehicles right now, perhaps even entering into the pantheon of our favorite Mercedes vehicles ever. And, after a couple days of piloting its engine and open/closed-top variants around the mountains, coasts and superhighways of Southern California, this assessment remains just as true for the updated version, despite the relative lack of differentiation from the sedan.